Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here, giving you guys another pick 3 video, and today we're going to work on pick 3 of Arizona. I have a really cool strategy I want to share with you guys, and even if you're outside of the area, definitely stay tuned because some of these tips and techniques may be able to help you guys in your state as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. On August 4th, we had a hit of 106. And what I've done is I plugged it into a simple 1, 2, 3 rundown. For those that don't know how to count one out, it's really simple. We're just going to add each number to the columns. All right. So we're going to start with our first column. 1, we're going to add all the way down. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. When you guys get to your 2-digit numbers, only use your ones place, your 0, okay? And 0 plus 1 is 1. You know that you did it properly because the number that you start with is going to be the number that you end with. Real simple, right? And now you're going to add 2 all the way down. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Keep going all the way down until you get to your original hit, your original number, okay? And then we're going to add 3 all the way down. So we have 3 plus 3 is, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Now, again, when you get to that 2-digit number, only use your ones place your 2. Keep going all the way down till you get your original number of 6. All right? Once you plug everything in, I want you guys to pay special attention to your right side. I want you to find your doubles and your double mirrors. All right? So, for instance, our doubles here would be 8, 8. Y'all see that? I'm going to square that off. You circle it, whatever you need to do. And then also your mirror doubles. Okay? Your 8, 3. You guys like, that's not the same number. 8 and 3, they actually are. They're mirror numbers. They're opposite of each other. Okay? Make sure all my new people that are starting pick 3 and pick 4 games, definitely make sure you write your mirrors chart out. This is just going to really help you. Okay? Trust me when I tell you. Just know that a 0 can be a 5, or 5 can be a 0. A 1 can be a 6, or a 6 can be a 1. A 2 can be a 7, or a 7 can be a 2. A 3 can be an 8, or 8 can be a 3. A 4 can be a 9, or a 9 could be a 4. Really simple. Now here's the fun part, Arizona. I notice several things, and I want you guys to listen very closely. A lot of your hits, they are coming from either the double mirrors or the doubles. They're sitting on top and they're making like a 7 or like a upside down L. Okay, something I noticed, but there's a part 2 to this. You're also looking at a future day number, not date sum, not a date sum, but a day number. Okay, so I'm going to give you the first one. I'm going to show you kind of where the hits are, kind of how they're putting the combinations together, and then we'll go from there. So let's start with our doubles, our 8, 8. I'm noticing they like to use the first 2 numbers, and then they like to kind of swing over to the left. Okay, so as you see here, I have a 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. Okay, now guys, they can always change the direction, so make sure you're backtracking, and from this point forward that you're writing everything out so that you see what's continuously going on. That's how you guys keep good notes, and that's how you guys are going to start tracking your own patterns. Okay, because you guys live in Arizona, you guys are going to see things that I may not see because I'm here in Florida. Okay, but let's get back to this. So I'm liking this 5, 2, 4. Okay, they might even do 5, 2, 6. Okay, whatever kind of connects. I know they like staying in this particular area. Can they venture out? Maybe they could. So just keep a lookout for that. Okay. And I noticed they like to come on top of the doubles. That is another thing. Okay. So let's go down to the double mirrors now. Again, I'm noticing for the last few days, they like using the first 2 numbers above the box. So, and then they like to swing left. So I would go 0, 7, 4. You see that? 0, 7, 4. You might also want to do 0, 7, 6. Okay, because at least it touches that a number in the area. So you guys have 4 really cool picks. Well, guess what came out on August 8th August 8th, 074. Bam. I know y'all see it. We have it here, 074. That would have been cool. Played it straight. That would have been nice. Do they always come out straight like that? Maybe, maybe not. You guys are going to have to check. But look, it sits right on top of this double mirror. Okay? You see, like I said, a 7 or a backwards L is a particular shape and they're sitting on top, but they can always change that. That's why I said keep your notes handy so you can see the changes and you can make the changes and, you know, have a good strategy so you can get those hits in. Okay. But there's also another piece of information I want you guys to know. You notice the double numbers? They're 8 or 3. Look at this date right here. Okay, it happened August 8th. Now I know a lot of you like to use date sums and hit sums and all that, but this is using a day number. Yes, you notice this came out August 4th. It took 4 days to hit. But if you notice that this pattern, it sits right on top of this 8 or this 3, right? Happened on the day number of 8. Yes, you heard me right. Whenever you guys are going back a few days, I will go back 3 or 4 days. Okay? Look at all your numbers, put them all in these patterns. And look at the number in the box. That may tell you what day it's going to hit. Like this 106 came out August 4th. But if you notice, using this particular pattern, this 074, it hit on the 8th. They used the day number. Day number. Not date sum. Not when you add those numbers together. Those that don't know what a date sum is, that's when you add 8 plus 4, right? Your month and your date. What would you guys get? 12, right? And then you would use this too. And there's different ways to use a date sum, right? That's a whole nother video for a whole nother day. But for this particular pattern, they like the day number. So the day of the 8th of August, 8, this particular pattern hit. So on August 4th, if you was to put this down and say, hold on, I may want to play this or play this on this particular date, that's up to you. That is up to you. They can change it. They can do what they want. I'm going to show you how this works one more time so you know I'm not playing with you. Okay. Let's take a look at the August 5th example. We had a hit of 6, 4, 5. Okay. And we plugged it into the 1, 2, 3 rundown. You guys should know how to count that out by now, right? Yes. And I told you I'm liking the right side. Okay, can they switch sides? Of course. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and locate what? The doubles. Okay. So we got a 2, 2, right? We also have its mirror version 2, 7. What do you notice? This is letting me know if we use this particular L shape or 7, that this could happen on what? The 7 or the 2. Day 2 of that week or of this week. Okay. So let's do this. Let's put those combinations together. Again, I'm noticing they like to go 2 up and then swing to left. So let's put those together. So I would say 4, 1, 8. Okay. You might want to do 4, 1, 0. That's up to you. Okay. I'm also liking, if you go to the doubles, you see it, the first 2 numbers are 9, 6, 8, right? They swing into the left right there. You might want to also do 9, 6, 0. Okay. And we'll stop there. Arizona, I ain't playing with y'all. Guess what hit on the August 7th, not the date sum, but the day number. The day number. Guess what hit? 698. We have 698 as what? 968. Bam. And we have it here as 968. Remember what I'm telling you guys. Look out for your day numbers. Go back a few days because the numbers are going to change. That's what they do. Okay, so you may not want to play this 074 for 4 days straight. You may want to pay attention just to that day. And again, you use this as at your own discretion. Why? Because they can change stuff at any time. They may want to start using a date number or a date sum. Okay, but right now, pay attention to your day numbers where those doubles and mirrors are, because this could be the key on which days you may want to play those numbers. And again, they can always switch their patterns, but I'm just giving you what's been going on the last couple of days. I hope you guys found some serious value in what I've just shared with you. If you felt that I have, definitely go ahead and hit that like button right now. Also, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. I don't want you guys missing any of these hot tips and these strategies to lock in your next pick 3 hit. Okay, and I'm not done with you, Arizona. I got them hot picks for you. Hold on. All right, Arizona, I got them hot picks for you. Now, before we get started, I'm going to tell you right now, I do not guarantee hits on this channel. Why? Because I just don't. I won't. Okay, because the numbers they're tricky. Okay, but if I was in Arizona, this is what I would play. But again, you're playing at your own risk. Okay, I like that 369, that's 703, 857. 036, 413, and 108.